Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Ranger headlights. First, ensure your vehicle is off and cool. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and your replacement headlight bulbs. Begin by opening the hood and locating the two retaining bolts at the top of the headlight assembly. These are usually easy to spot. Unscrew them completely and set them aside safely. Once the retaining bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It might feel a little snug, but it should slide out. Now, you will see the electrical connector attached to the back of the bulb. Pinch the tab and pull to disconnect it. Then, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to remove it from the housing. When installing the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Hold it by the base and insert it into the housing, twisting clockwise to secure it. Reconnect the electrical connector until you hear a click. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring it aligns properly. Finally, reinsert the two retaining bolts you removed earlier and tighten them securely. Do not over-tighten, as this can damage the plastic. Before closing the hood, turn on your headlights to ensure both the low and high beams are working correctly. This quick check confirms your installation was successful. For more great reads, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.